When I first started learning guitar, I thought YouTube was going to be the answer. And in a way, it was. But learning on YouTube comes with its own struggles and difficulties. Hi, my name is Theodore Schutz, and I've been playing guitar for a long time, but I'm not a professional, but I have learned a lot of things along the way. And here are some of the tips that I would give on trying to learn guitar on YouTube in 2026. Here's the issue on YouTube. Everyone is promising you some quick and simple way to becoming an advanced guitarist, and that's just not realistic. You need to put in the hours, put in the practice time, and eventually you'll reach that goal. The first step is to stop learning everything. Don't watch every single video, a different video every day, and try to expect that you'll learn everything all at once. You need to take your time and progress eventually, and it won't happen all at once. So the first thing you should focus on is basic chords, clean strumming, rhythm and timing, and simple songs if you're a beginner starting out. Then, as you progress, you can go up to learning theory, learning some more complicated finger-picking patterns, learning some more speed techniques, and things like that as you progress as a more intermediate guitarist. Build on your core skill stack and don't just focus on learning what you want to learn. Playing guitar is not all about having fun and just playing the fun songs. While that comes eventually, you have to put in the work with the hard stuff, learning how to play chords, how they're built, memorizing your fretboard, and building up your finger dexterity. So don't just practice on the stuff that you think is fun, because you won't progress that way. Eventually, once you feel like you have a good handle on basic chords, basic strumming, how chords are made up, knowing your notes on the fretboard, then you're probably ready for a paid course. There are so many paid courses that are great options for intermediate and advanced guitarists, and I will link some of those in the description below. But don't go out and buy a course just to start. There's so much you can learn on YouTube completely for free, and most people won't ever actually even need to pay a couple $100 for a course. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I would love if some advanced guitarists would come and answer those questions that the beginners have, and I'll also try to answer some questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.